equilateral triangle. Each side is supposed to be 16 centimeters. And this one's a little bit off, but it's close. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot at 8 because 8 is half of 16 for each side. All right, so then I'm going to move my ruler to this side and mark that one at 8 centimeters, which is half of 16. And then I'm going to move my ruler, let's move the whole thing, getting the hang of how to use this ruler thing. To this side, again, not quite 16. I couldn't get this to work out exactly like I wanted it to, but it's close. So kind of center it, put a dot at 8 because 8 is half of 16, right? Now I'm going to use the ruler to draw lines from each dot to the other dot. So I'm going to draw a line here. Oh, that's supposed to follow the ruler and it's not working. Let's see if I can try it again. That's weird, it was following it yesterday. Maybe I just need to do it from the board itself. Oh, see, that works better. Okay, unless it's just drawing one. Okay, then let's move this thing. Oops. There. Draw my line here. Oh, yep, that's not quite straight. Oh well. Then move this one here. Oops. Now it's following along. It's not. Those. Alright, ruler out of the way. So, I took my one big triangle and I turned it into 4 smaller triangles. However, we're going to take the middle triangle out. To do that, we're just going to color it in. So we're not going to cut it out. We'll just color it in and say that triangle is gone. We're just going to count the white triangles that are left over. Okay. So if you would like, you can just grab a colored pencil if you want, or you can just use your own pencil or pen to color that in. Alright, let's go. I'm going to grab a crayon. Is to color these in. So I'm coloring in. Oh, that's not a crayon. No. There we go. Coloring in the triangle in the middle. And by coloring it in, I'm basically saying I'm taking that out of the middle. So I have one big triangle and I have 3 smaller triangles. See that? Took this one away. So it's a chart on the side of your paper that we're filling in as we go. It says our first iteration is 3 to the 0 power, which is 1 triangle. It started with 1 triangle. And now we have 3 to the first power, which is 3 triangles, right? Okay, now we're going to use our ruler and find the middle of the 8 centimeters. What's half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. So let's move this. Find the middle of 8. It's 4. And then I just keep using my ruler. It's better if you measure. I'm just getting frustrated with my ruler, so I'm just going to kind of, I don't know, maybe I was going to maybe just kind of start to estimate it, but I'm going to keep trying to use my ruler. I'd rather have it more accurate. So half of 8 is 4. Half 8 is 4. Right? Let's go in another direction. So half 8 is 4. Half 8 here is 4. About right there. And then half of this one right here. 4. So then half of 8 here is 4. Half of 8 over here is 4. And where else do I need to go? I need to go on this triangle right here. Half of that 8 is 4. So now I have dots at the middle of each of the 3 smaller triangles, right? So now use your ruler to connect those dots. So again, we're breaking each of those smaller triangles into those 4 triangles. But again, we're going to remove the upside down triangle that's in the middle. And to show that we've removed it, we're going to color it in. So now how many triangles do we have? So we have 1 large triangle, 3 smaller triangles, and how many even smaller triangles? Count them? There are 3 squared triangles, so 9. Right? Filling in this table as we go. Okay, next. Next, we're going to do the middles of these. So they were 4 centimeters, so half of that is 2. Find the middle of each triangle, side, bunch of middles. Okay, then we're going to connect those together. And then like we keep doing, we're going to take the middles out. My crayon. Now how many triangles are we going to have that are even smaller? This is called a geometric fractal because it actually follows the pattern of a geometric sequence and gives us the next number by multiplying by another of the same number. So So in this case, we're multiplying by 3, right? We started with one triangle, multiplied 3, we have 3 triangles. Multiplied 3, we have 9 triangles. Multiplied by another 3, we now have 27 triangles. You can count them and verify that if you'd like to. Okay, how far can we go? Depends on how little you can draw, right? But I'd like us to try and go at least one more iteration. So that would be taking our middles down to 1 centimeter. Really getting lazy now without my ruler here. Seriously, the more you use the ruler, the cooler it will look. Now when we color those in, representing taking them out of the middles of those triangles, we will have another 3 times as many smaller triangles. So 27 times 3 will leave us with 81 little teeny white triangles. In our picture. Created what we call a serpenskis triangle. Ta-da! Okay, if you fill in the chart and take your triangles down that far, then you'll have a 4 on this assignment. If you only go to the purple stage, it will be a 3, etc. So if you're willing to take it down to those little teeny 81 triangles, that'll give you the best score. And there's the rest of my little chart.